Welcome to this video on plotting basic functions using coordinates and graphs. Let's start with the linear function, which is one of the simplest and most important types of functions. A linear function represents a straight line on the graph. It is defined by a formula where y equals m times x plus c. Here, m is the slope of the line, indicating how steep it is, and c is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. To draw the line, you only need to plot 2 points correctly and connect them. Let's visualize the function where y equals 2 times x plus 1. We plot 2 points on the line, and by joining them we get a straight line. Next, we move to the exponential function. This function grows or decays rapidly and has the form where y equals a raised to the power of x. For example, y equals 2 to the power of x is a common exponential function. Let's plot this. We use multiple points to get a smooth curve employing a coordinate box method. Notice the curve always passes through the point where x is 0 and y is 1, because any number raised to the power 0 equals 1. Now, let's explore the logarithmic function. It is the inverse of the exponential function and is defined for positive x values only. For example, the logarithm base 2 of x is a common example. To visualize, we draw the graph. It passes through the point where x is 1 and y is 0, since the logarithm base 2 of 1 is 0. Again, plotting multiple points ensures a smooth curve. Finally, we look at the step function, specifically the greatest integer function. This function outputs the greatest integer less than or equal to the input value, creating a stair-step look on the graph. It is made up of horizontal line segments representing these discrete levels. Let's see how the graph looks like. Plotting many points clearly shows the steps or jumps in the function's output values along the x-axis. Thank you for watching this introduction to plotting basic functions. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments to help us improve our content.